Hi, what's up guys? This is Bosko, and today I am going to show you guys how to remove a stolen video of yours if somebody stole your video. So I am going to show you guys how to do it right now. So I just did one right here. The plush Adventure Time the movie video got stolen right here, and it's now down, as you guys can see right here. And this is the original. So guys, before you fill out this form, you don't want to mess around with this, and don't make false claims though. If you do, YouTube will terminate your account, or you can get legal consequences. So you don't want to mess around with this. So after you read all that, then click on submit a copyright complaint, and you should get right here before you enter this form is it makes sure you are not a robot. And after you do that, then it takes you to this page, and what's the issue? And in this case is copyright infringement. Who's infected? That in that case I am. So you have to fill out this form. You have to get the URL of the stolen video. You have to copy that. Then go out to this form and paste it from there. And I am not going to put the URL in there because I already did it. So after you did that, then you have to select my YouTube video was re-uploaded by another user. Then you have to get the original video from right here and copy it and back to the form, then paste it from there. And before you go on with the form, you have to match up the two videos. So you have to make sure it's the same video to make sure the user did not edit it or anything like that. And if it's the whole entire video in this case, then click on the entire video. And if it's a part of your video, then you have to do timestamps. And if there is a custom thumbnail of the stolen video, then you have to check custom thumbnail as well. And after that, then you have to fill out your real stuff if it gets serious, like your city, the street address, and your real name. And you have to put the username of the account here, and the authority to make this complaint. You can say I am the, forgot about the space, I am the owner and the creator. Or for what I did, just put in yes right there if you want. And if you have a secondary email address, put it here and put in your zip code, and put in your phone is required. And after you fill that out, guys, you have to check all this right here. And guys, you have to be very careful with this. This could terminate your YouTube account if you make false claims. After you check all that, then put your signature right here, your real name of course, then check I'm not a robot, then submit complaint, and after you click on that, it should say thank you for your submission. And if they need more information, then you have to provide to them of more information they need. If not, they could terminate your YouTube account within about a week if you receive that type of email. So that's enough of that. This could take up to 48 hours or 72 hours or even 24 hours. After you submit the form, then you get this email right here. It says, thank you for your submission. It is under review to ensure it is valid and includes all the required elements. We will reply to this email when we have taken action on your request. So, like within 24 to 48 hours or even 72 hours, then you would get this email right here. It says, thank you very much for your notification. The content has been removed. That is, if it's valid, guys. If it is. If it's not, they need more information from you. So guys, I hope this video did help you guys out. And if it did, please leave this video a like, a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and more gaming and more plush adventure time videos and more unboxings and reviews. And please comment and rate this video and subscribe if you're new here. And please turn on the upload post notifications. And now this will be Alexander Bosko signing off, guys. And peace out. Bye, guys. And also, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. And peace out.